Donald Trump Jr. singled out as weakest link before his NYC fraud trial appearance now that Supreme Court First Judicial District Judge Arthur Engoron has scheduled Donald Trump and three of his children, Don Jr., Ivanka and Eric, to testify in the $250 million fraud trial filed against the Trump Organization. All eyes will turn to the Manhattan courtroom next week for what promises to be explosive testimony. Speaking with MSNBC host Alex Witt on Saturday morning, NBC correspondent Ryna Reilly was asked by the host which one of the Trump kids has the potential to set off the most fireworks while being grilled. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than with Ivanka Trump eliminated because she has the least to lose since a court ruled her participation in financial fraud schemes, the centerpiece of New York Attorney General Letitia James's civil suit, because of the statute of limitations. Reilly was quick to finger Don Jr. as a potentially hostile witness. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than poll. Should Trump be allowed to run for office? Ryan, do you expect bombshell testimony in this last week when you have Don Jr., Eric and potentially Ivanka as well testifying? Host Witt prompted. Look, let's face it, with some of them in the past when they've gotten on the stand, it's been a lot of, I don't recalls. But what do you expect this time around? I think Don Jr. is most like his father and sort of gets really revved up very easily. It's not that difficult, Reilly immediately replied. It does seem to get him really heated and poke at him in the right way. I think that is the one where I expect the most explosive testimony. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than. Obviously Eric Trump has been thoroughly parodied on SNL, but he's known as someone who is not as heated probably as Trump Jr. has been. If you look at the titles of the books that he sells and sort of this macho personality that we see on the air, he added. So that is where I would expect you to get the most possibility of sort of getting heated outside of his comfort zone, he concluded. Watch below or at the link.